I'm Jim Welsh, Regional Sales Manager at Payroll for Construction. Today, I am going to walk you through how contractors can automate certified payroll reporting in Payroll for Construction. Payroll for Construction is powered by its sister company, Foundation Software, a full job cost and accounting software package. However, Payroll for Construction is a standalone payroll service that can work with any accounting system out there. We'll get started by going into reports. There are many different ways contractors and agencies require certified payroll to be reported. So Payroll for Construction has both the online and uploadable forms for all agencies, as well as the printable certified payroll forms. As you can see, there are many different options here that contractors and agencies want in regards to what information goes onto the certified payroll report. There are also many different state-specific and agency-specific formats. So in Payroll for Construction, contractors report their time, then we pay their employees, pay their taxes, and then their certified payroll reports are ready to be printed. To see more of how Payroll for Construction can help streamline your payroll and reporting processes, schedule a live demo by clicking on the video link on the screen, in the description below, or by calling the number on the screen.